Alright, we have made it to Bourton-on-the-Water and we come into this car park. It's just a great big field to park, and with £6 for a whole day because they don't have park pay and display. It's just a big field. Hello and welcome to another video. We have now arrived at Bourton-on-the-Water and ended up coming into the first car park that we came across to park the car, and realized that it was a bit of a mistake because right outside there's plenty of free on-street parking. However, when we arrived, we've not been here before, there was a long queue of cars waiting to get into the car park, so we just kind of follow them in, and then once you're inside it's a bit too late to turn around and come out again. And that's when we found out that, yeah, they charge the maximum of £6 for the whole day parking. We don't need it for a whole day, only need it for a couple hours of sightseeing. But because it's not a ticketed machine or anything, it's just a massive field and they don't have people to monitor how long you park or anything, so they just charge a maximum £6 for the whole day. Yeah, but next time if you come, then you know that just drive around the town a bit until you find somewhere free to park. But Bourton-on-the-Water is a beautiful place, highly recommended. However, on the day we're here, it was crowded. There was a lot of people, lots of tourists. Here are some information according to Wikipedia. Bourton-on-the-Water is a village and civil parish in Gloucestershire, England, that lies on a wide, flat vale within the Cotswolds area of outstanding natural beauty. The village had a population of 3,296 at the end of the 2011 census. Much of the village centre is a designated conservation area. Bourton-on-the-Water's High Street is flanked by long, wide greens and the river Windrush that runs through them. The river is crossed by 5 low arched stone bridges. They were built between 1654 and 1953, leading to the nickname of Venice of the Cotswolds. The village often has more visitors than residents during the peak tourist season. Some 300,000 visitors arrive each year as compared to under 3,500 permanent residents.
This also experience, so not to worry.
Also, not many space. Look at it, it's all packed.
Looking for the places. Yeah, the school kids run as well.
Yeah, so all the different sightseeing places.
Let's go up to the mountain.
Harrod.
Oh, okay. Right. Oh, very nice. Oh, gorgeous. Got a little stream running along. Let's have a look. Here's a ticket. That's a cost. £15, £14.95 for an adult. Child, £11.50. Yes. Oh wow. Yes. Wow, the sun has come out. It's hotting up.
itla nagagalan. We'll pack a Christmas up.
Somebody's waiting down there.
Very flat. You've got the whole
He's got longer legs, hasn't he?
Oh, wow. I graduated. Oh, wow. Okay, oh, this is cute. Lovely jubbly. Okay, I see why. Very nice. This is gorgeous view here, isn't it? You can see all tourists. Oh man, what are they doing?
And this is the place I told that we should bring the water resistant.
Yes.
So we can walk down, walk along.
No, it's packed full of people. Oh yes,
4
yes,
times by car, 3 times by, 3 times by car,
yes.
3 times by walk.
Okay.
You're back.
Nice, yes.
Usually I don't follow that one. It just came up. I use this one. This one. I think that will be something.
Oh wow.
This is the
Okay.
this stones.
Oh wow. So this is the little town.
So I just drove around to see the
Right. Yeah.
houses around there.
Mhm.
Because this is the speciality of that. So, but very narrow road, you know.
Yes.
It's very,
Yeah. Very cute, small little place, huh? Wow. Okay, Victoria Street.
town is a
Bourton-on-the-Water. Wow. Okay, yes.
house.
ये वाटर ऑफ माउंटेन नाम ही जरूर
Oh, I can smell fish and chips.
On the water, Bourton on the stove.
Yeah.
There are too many things.
Yes.
The water can start smoking.
Look at this.
अगर तुमने ये नहीं देखी तो तुम्हें क्यों आए फिर क्यों आए हो तुम कोट्सवुड पॉइंट ही है
Wow, imagine living in that house or in this one over here. Gosh, beautiful. Okay, I think that's it. If we continue, we just end up miles out of nowhere. Oh wow, look at this. Look at that. Yeah. So we are coming back to the waterfront.
they have the same pattern same pattern of towers
Same pattern, yeah. So just along the river kind of thing, yes. Okay.
Oh, it's the big one. You get
Falling in out. Man. Motoring museum. Okay. Oh. Wow. Perfect spot here for a seat, I think. Yeah. Let's come here and have a sit down. Oh wow, look at this. You want to sit down? Sit down, have a look. We'll just walk around and sit here and watch it eat. Oh wow. Gorgeous. Very nice.
look at that and look at that yeah nice isn't it
Yes. Look at the amount of tourists.
yeah it is so nice
Incredible. Okay, let's continue. We had a good rest. Sorry?
you want me to take a picture of you
That way already, maybe now we walk that way. Oh no, we haven't gone over there.
town.
Yeah, the town centre there. Oh God. Oh, what is it? Grapes? Oh look, they're grapes. Oh wow! Imagine having grapes growing outside your window. Cool. Where's she gone? Amazing, isn't it?
Someone's house?
Yes. Somebody's house and they've got grapes growing outside the window. Isn't it amazing? Look at that. Now
No, ellos se fueron a otro.
okay, I'm going to walk back down there, along the river, and then meet Tree at the other end. We are going to go back out to the car park now. We're going to walk back out, and I need to charge my phone. We both need to charge our phone up because I only got 7% left on my phone. Dangerously low, because my return train ticket and everything is on the phone. So we need to go back to the car and get both our phones charged up. Both our phones are running very low.
Obviously, Mush, you because obviously have black shorts as well. Everyone's got the grey one, man. I have black shorts as well. Yum yum.
Okay. Yes. Right? Yeah. Yes.
See, look at it. If you want to take it, there.
We are coming to the end of this video because we are making our way back out to the car park now to go to our next destination, which is Bourton-on-the-Water. Hope you've enjoyed the walk. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and watch out for the next video, which is Bourton-on-the-Water, our final destination. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.